Have you ever noticed how your skin seems to lose its glow when you're under stress? It's not just your imagination playing tricks on you. In fact, there's a complex science behind the correlation between stress and skin health. When we find ourselves under stress, our bodies react by releasing a hormone known as cortisol. This hormone, while necessary for our survival, can cause a cascade of skin issues when produced in excess. Inflammation, a direct result of increased cortisol levels, can lead to bothersome skin conditions such as acne and redness. But the effects of stress don't stop there. It can also disrupt our sleep patterns, leaving us with that all too familiar tired look, complete with dark under-eye circles. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There are ways to mitigate the impact of stress on our skin. The first line of defense is to prioritize self-care and relaxation. Finding activities that help you unwind can go a long way in reducing stress levels. This could be anything from practicing yoga to soaking in a warm bath, or even getting lost in a good book. Alongside relaxation, establishing a skincare routine that caters to your specific skin type can also play a significant role. Regular cleansing, moisturizing, and the use of targeted treatments can bolster your skin's resilience to stress. What we put into our bodies is just as important. A diet rich in antioxidants, found in fruits, vegetables, and green tea, can help to combat oxidative stress, leaving your skin looking radiant despite life's challenges. Physical exercise is another powerful tool in our stress management arsenal. Regular activity reduces stress levels and releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that can contribute to a healthier, more vibrant complexion. In summary, stress can undoubtedly take a toll on our skin, causing a range of issues from acne to premature aging. Yet, by prioritizing self-care, maintaining a tailored skincare routine, eating a healthy diet, and exercising regularly, we can reduce the impacts of stress and keep our skin glowing through the chaos. Thank you for tuning into this exploration of stress and skin health. If you found these insights beneficial, consider subscribing for more content centered around beauty and wellness. Until next time, continue to prioritize your well-being and keep your skin glowing.